Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a little project I've been working on, modifying the rigged tire carrier to make it better. So what we have here is a rigged ultra swing that I've had welded to the bumper, and then I've added a propane tank mount, a mount for my Pro Eagle jack, and some max Trax to the back of. Starting off with the base, you can see this is a rigged ultra swing. Let's pop this latch open and open her up. So what I did was I chopped the part that goes into your ball hitch, chopped it off because it just hung out too far in the back. It didn't rattle, it was too far out. So chopped that, welded it to the frame of the GX, added a little bit of gusseting up here and right there. This is all the ultra swing coming around here, all the round tube, all original, right? Now everything else I've added on to it. We'll start from the driver's side and go towards the passenger side. First off, this is my propane tank. I've got it mounted to some kind of mount I got off of eBay, but anyways, it's held up by this 1-inch square tubing that I've welded to the bottom of the rigged, welded across here, some bracing along here, and it sits in there just fine. Coming to the middle, this is a 35 12.5 17 Toyo MT. It's just bolted onto the factory rigged spot, but coming around to the back, I've welded a little plate back here that I hook the max Trax pins to. Comes up, and then I've got this roller cam strap with another spot back here that it's hooked to, so these are on there. And moving to the passenger side, I have my Pro Eagle, I think it's a Talon 1.5 ton jack on here. It's mounted to the Pro Eagle jack mount that come around here to the back side to show you how I mounted that. Built some more square tubing and some 1-inch angle, and then it's bolted in to the 1-inch angle on the top and the bottom. All in all, everything's fairly solid, even with this much extra weight added to it. Like you see, I can move the tire and the whole vehicle moves. I've drove around with it some. It doesn't seem to move around too awful much. You still have, see, the vehicle still moving if you go that way. But pretty good setup so far. Haven't cracked any welds or broken anything off yet, but I also haven't hit it hard with this new setup on here yet. The only issue I've run into so far is I have a little bit of door clearance interference when you open this up and then pop the back door. You can see that this hits right there. So moving around, motion just in that one spot on the door right there. Some people might not want that. I think it's livable. I can still get in the back and do everything I need to do. And then coming all the way open, you can see that the jack just barely clears the tail light. But with it all the way open like that, then you have the door hitting the wheel. So that'll just have to be something I'm conscious of whenever I'm opening the back door. Anyways, that's just the modifications I've made to my Ultra Swing on the back of my GX. Tell me what you think about it. Leave it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.